Good morning, welcome. We are back. It's Stockton Creek. It is early in the morning. It's probably 6:30 or so. A bit of a later start. Now, I said in the summer months that I'm going to come down here in the middle of winter and use cicada lures and see what I can't catch. So here we are, Stockton Creek, trying to chase bream on cicada lures. Now, also, I did wear them down here. I'm not going to have them on for too long. The Aleader X-Rain shoes. You know the deal. In the comment section, if you need a pair, in the description, if you need a pair, use the code Kayak and grab yourself a discount and a pair of awesome shoes. There was just a mullet there. All right, so that's the plan. Let me put on some proper shoes and socks because it is, I think, 4 degrees or something this morning down here. So my feet are freezing and kind of smoking. Yeah, it's cold. All right, let's get some gompers. Top water bream on a cicada. And he's going. Come on, buddy. Out, 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 out. We need to land you to prove the fact that it's a cicada. I've done it so many times. I don't know how big he is. I think he's in the 20s. Oh, there we go. Not quite a, it's not, oh, he's starting to get the blue lips. I don't even have my measure mat with me today. So we're gonna have to go off the old finger measurement. He's gonna be up there around 30, I think. He's definitely not 40. Let's get this out. So we're using the Proficient Cicadas like we did last year. Like as we did around April. It's just the last time I think I went fishing for cicadas here. So same lure, same scent. And now it's stuck. Oh wow. Have you ever had one of those days where it's just freezing and nothing seems to work? That is my day. My hands aren't working. I can't clip things. Alright, so what have we got? He's going, if I'm generous, he's probably 25er. He's probably just around legal. He's got like the nice little blue lips. Starting to get his blue. Alright, buddy. Here you go. Thank you for proving me right. Oh. Yep. I hope I'm recording this. What is? Yeah, I think it's a bream. Looks like a bream. It's another 20. It's another solid 20. Oh, okay. He just realised he got caught. Oh no, don't lose that one. That's probably the best of the day. Oh, yes. He's gone in and out a couple of times. He wasn't coming off. That treble hooked. Alright, how big is he going? Going to do the old hand test. Definitely bigger than the last one. Oh, he's going 30. He's going around 30, I'd say. Nice little Brembo. There you go, buddy. That wasn't the best release. I really need to put more scent on this. Oh, yep. Come on, don't go back there, don't go back there, don't go back there. He's only a baby. It's only a baby, but he still counts. Oh, I did say there was going to be something in there. There you go, there you go, bud. Just going to prove it, the date, 13th of the 7th. Just trying to prove that I am in the middle of winter. Alrighty, that is me done for today. Probably 2.5 hour fishing session. 4 or 5 bream and topwater cicadas. So you can catch them. Have a go in your local. I only did like a small area of this little creek that I'm in right now. I would suspect if I go the direction that I'm facing right now, I probably might have got more based on my catches in summer. I kind of got more down that direction than I did the opposite. So yeah, good little session. Kind of proved my theory right in the summer when I said I think you could get cicadas in the winter, like bream on cicadas in the winter. And yeah, it goes to show. Alrighty, take care everyone. Don't forget my Aleader Shoes discount. And have a nice day. Good morning, Mighty Kayak here. My first fish in 4 and a bit weeks from the kayak. We have George with me and we have young Ollie. We're going to try and catch some bream. And let's get into it. Let's catch some gompers.
Get your ass out of here. Oh, it's only little.
He's only got a little bream.
That's a starter. Biggest bream today. Ew. Oh no, it's not recording.
Alright, we're going to paddle out straight away. Yeah, but if it gets too windy, you won't be able to go out. It's up to you. Just let him go. Oh, don't let your line slack. Always keep a bend in your rod. Just as I say, we're heading back. You catch one. Do you need a hand? Right, yes. So what you do, slide your hand up to your first run. Got your first flathead in a kayak. First fish in a kayak and it's a flathead. So what you do is you undo the net, take your net away. Oh, just watch your feet. And now you should be able to lip grip him. Oh, it's in the bottom of the mouth. Yeah. So that's why I've got the small lip grips. So try and go through there. I know you've hooked him. There, and then he's just going to do his little shake. Pop it off. Always drop, oh, close your bail arm. Once you got it close to being off, it's a bit wrapped, so don't cast that rod until you've undone the rope. There you go. Rod's been on for an hour or so now. There's a big trevally. Keep that rod tip tight. Pardon? Yeah? Pardon? If George's salmon's spot anything to go by, this is going to take 20-30 minutes. It's very shallow through here. But it's taking him out to deeper water, that's a good thing. There's a lot of rocks and stuff in here. So like in summer, if you get like a really low tide, it's only like 60 centimetres deep. Then you throw top water through here. And your flathead and your bream will still come up and hit it. So what we're using, soft plastic? Pardon? Oh, the bioactive. Oh, did he? I hope you don't lose it. I kind of will laugh, but at the same time. 40? Why did it take you that long to catch it? Just skull drag it. Why don't you just lock up your drag and skull drag it? Yeah. Skull drag it, lose it, and then I can laugh. Right. Don't know what it is. At the moment, I'd say Taylor. I think it's a choppy. Oh, just went out of reach, the little bugger. Oh, yeah, little choppy tailor. It's probably just on 30. Yeah, that's all right, leader's okay. Yeah, he's going. Yeah, he's only going about 30 centimetres or something. What's he doing? There he goes. And we got a tailor.